Hello students, in this video we are going to start a new topic, that is treatment of goodwill, admission of partner and treatment of goodwill. Basically, whenever a new partner is admitted into a firm, whenever a partner is admitted into a firm, he has to bring some amount of capital as well as goodwill. He has to bring some amount of capital as well as goodwill. So whatever amount of goodwill he is bringing into the firm, whatever amount of goodwill new partner is bringing into the firm, so we have to use that goodwill, and we have to study that what are the conditions in which he is bringing that amount of goodwill and using that amount. So here are certain cases under which we have to study this thing. So what are the cases? So here we have treatment of goodwill. What we have? Treatment of goodwill. So in treatment of goodwill, first condition is when goodwill brought in cash. What is the first condition? When goodwill brought in cash means when we are admitting a new partner, he is paying the amount of goodwill in form of cash. He is paying amount of goodwill in form of cash. That we have to study. Second thing, when amount of goodwill, or you can say premium, goodwill can also be called as premium for goodwill. So when amount of goodwill is paid privately, is paid, here is the word paid privately, means when new partner is paying the amount of goodwill privately, what are the conditions that we have to study. Third thing is when amount of goodwill brought in cash by new partner is withdrawn by the old partner in cash, means whatever amount of goodwill brought in by new partner is withdrawn by old partner in form of cash, then what entry we have to do, that we have to study here. Next thing, when goodwill not brought in cash means when new partner is not able to bring the amount of goodwill in form of cash, so then what treatment we have to do. Next thing, if we have a old goodwill which is called goodwill appear, if we have a goodwill which is already in our books of accounts, then how to use that thing we have to study. And the last thing is profit and loss. It is not a part of goodwill, but still if we have a profit or loss, then we have to study it, ki how to use or how to pass the journal entry. So these are the some conditions related with goodwill which we have to study in this topic. So moving toward the first condition, that is when amount of goodwill and capital brought in cash by new partner, means in this topic what new partner is doing, he is bringing goodwill as well as capital in form of cash into the firm, means when new partner is admitted, he is bringing both the things in form of cash. So what would be the entry? So if he is bringing cash, it means cash is increases, and whenever assets increases it becomes debit. So the entry will be cash account debit, because he is bringing all the things in the form of cash. And what he is bringing? Capital. So you have to write the name of two partners. Suppose XYZ is the name of partner, so 2XYZ's capital account. Apart from this, whatever goodwill he is paying to the firm, so that goodwill is written by the name of premium for goodwill, by which what name we are using it? Premium for goodwill. So that thing is this one. So you have to pass this entry for bringing the amount of goodwill and capital, whatever and one thing also, what then you have to write the narration. Next thing, whatever amount of goodwill is brought in by new partner, whatever amount of goodwill is brought in by new partner is is distributed among the sacrificing partner in their sacrificing ratio. For that, entry will be premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. And if any of the old partner is gaining, old partner I'm talking, if any of the old partner is gaining, then we have to do that partner as a debit. So in that condition, premium for goodwill account debit, gaining partners capital account debit to sacrificing partners capital account. This would be the entry for distributing the amount of goodwill into sacrificing partners. Why sacrificing part? Why new partner is bringing amount of goodwill? So the reason is, suppose A and B both are working from last 4 years. A and B are the partners and both are working from the last 4 years. So definitely they have created some amount of goodwill into the firm. मीन्स दोनों ने मिलके ज़रूर कुछ ना कुछ गुडविल क्रिएट की होगी. सो आफ्टर 4 ईयर सी इज़ गोइंग टू बी एडमिटेड. सी को एडमिट किया जा रहा है आफ्टर 4 years. सो द गुडविल विच इज़ क्रिएटेड बाय ए एंड बी means effort has been applied by A and B initially for in initial 4 years, but the benefit of that goodwill is now received by C also, who is also going to receive the benefit of goodwill. So C hasn't applied the efforts, but still he is getting some extra benefit. So in return of that extra benefit, if any of the partner A and B is sacrificing, then C has to pay that amount of goodwill to A and B. So that's why this entry we have to pass. Then you have to write the narration also for the entry. So this is your first condition, when amount of goodwill brought in cash. So now we are going to read all the questions related with this topic. So here is the first question of this topic. You can read here also. कि goodwill or premium for goodwill is brought in cash by the new partner and retained in the business. Means new partner brought the amount of goodwill and that is retained, that is kept in the business. So for this is the topic, and I already told you what are the entries you have to pass for it. So reading the first question of this topic, we are going to read the first question of this topic. So the question is, A and B are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:5. What is the ratio? 2:5. They admit C on the condition that he will bring 14,000 as his share of goodwill. How much goodwill C will bring? So he will bring 14,000 goodwill. Is to be distributed between A and B. That is to be distributed between A and B. C's share in the future profit and losses will be 1/4. What will be the share of C? So it will be 1/4. What will be the new profit sharing ratio? You have to find out the new profit sharing ratio. So you can calculate it easily, because here only this information is given related to the new profit sharing ratio, that C is share in the future profit and losses will be 1/4. C का share कितना है? 1/4, and old ratio is 2:5. So you just have to apply the first case and you will get your new ratio, that is mentioned here 6:15:7. Next, goodwill is already given, so you have to just pass the entry. How you will do it? Have a look. So here is the solution done by me. So A and B are the partner. 2:5 is the old ratio. Who is admitted? C. And for what share? 1/4 share. So we have to assume the future profit 1. So you can calculate it, I think. So 1 minus 1/4, it is 3/4. This thing I already told you how to solve it. Then 3/4 into 2/7, the share of A as well as the remaining profit which A will get. So it becomes 6/28. Similarly for B it becomes 15, and for C it becomes 7. So the new ratio is 6:15:7. This is your new ratio. Apart from this, you have to calculate the sacrificing ratio also. Means in all the questions of this topic, I'm talking about this topic only, when goodwill is brought by a new partner in cash. So when in this condition, in all questions you have to calculate the sacrificing ratio also. So I mention in short form SR, that means sacrificing ratio. So you already know the formula, that is old ratio minus new ratio. So the old ratio is 2:5, and the new ratio we have calculated, that is 6:15:7. So when you will apply the formula of sacrificing, you will get your sacrificing ratio, that is 2:5, that is 2:5. We have already mentioned it here. Now what entry you have to pass? So this thing I already told you, that the entry will be cash account debit to means partners capital account, and to premium for goodwill. If capital is there, then we have to use this entry. If we don't have capital, then no need to use it. So we have passed the entry cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. So how much goodwill brought in by C? So C brings 14,000 as his share of goodwill. So 14,000. You have to pass these entry in the format of journal entry, and you know what is the format. Next thing, for distribution of goodwill into sacrificing partner. So the entry is premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partner, which is mentioned here also. Premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partner. So who are sacrificing? So we have already calculated it. A and B are sacrificing by 2:5. So to A's capital account, to B's capital account, and divide this 14,000 into 2:5, it becomes 4,000 and 10,000. I hope it is clear. Moving towards the next question, that is question number 21. A and B are the partners in a firm. Ratio is 3:2 and C is admitted. For what share? We don't know. For what share? We don't know. But what is the other information? A surrender 1/5 of his share and B surrender 2/5 of his share. A surrender 1/5 and B surrender 2/5 of his share in favor of C. Means A is giving 1/5 from of his share to B. C. B is also giving 2/5 of his share to C. दोनों किसको दे रहे हैं अपने शेयर में से कुछ पार्ट? सी को, अपने शेयर का कुछ पार्ट, नॉट में से. सो फॉर द पर्पस ऑफ सीज एडमिशन, goodwill of the firm is valued at 75,000. What is this? This is goodwill of firm, and what we have to find out, we have to find out goodwill brought in by new partner. We have to check the goodwill that is brought in by new partner. So the new partner is C, but this is goodwill of firm, not C. So first we have to find out the goodwill of C, then we have to do the remaining things. So old ratio is given. You can find out the new ratio by applying third case. You have to calculate the new ratio by applying third case. So after getting new ratio, you have to find out sacrificing ratio and then goodwill entry for the goodwill. So the new ratio, you can calculate it this one, and sacrificing ratio is this one. You can calculate it very easily. So the entry, what will be the entry? Please look at here for that. So for that, goodwill of the firm is given 75,000. We have to find out first share of C. So C's share of goodwill, 75,000 into share of C. So if you will calculate the new ratio, you will get the share of C, that comes 7/25. So 75 into 7/25, which becomes 21,000. So goodwill of C is 21,000, and he is bringing this amount in form of cash. So the entry becomes cash account debit to premium for goodwill account. By mistake we have mentioned C's capital account also, but there is no capital brought in by new partner. So either you can cut it and pass another entry, or better thing is you just mention the dash, which means no capital brought in by C. So 21,000. Then whatever goodwill new partner bought, it is to be distributed among sacrificing partners also. So for that, goodwill entry will be premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partner, and sacrificing partners are A and B. Their sacrificing ratio is 3:4. So divide this 21,000 into 3:4, you will get the 9,000 and 12,000. I hope it is also clear. Moving towards the next question, that is question number 22. I hope it is visible also. So question number 22, give journal entries to record the following arrangement in the books of firm. So here two different conditions are given. Means you can say there are two questions in this one. There are two parts of this question number 22. So the first part is B and C are partners having profit sharing ratio 3:2. D is admitted paying a premium or you can say goodwill of rupee 2,000. B, C are the partners, ratio is 3:2, and D is admitted and paying premium of 2,000. Share of D is 1/4 share of the profit. What is the share? So it is 1/4. Share of B and C remain as before. So you just have to calculate the new ratio, then sacrificing ratio, and entry I already told you. Same in case of B part also. Old ratio is 3:2. D is admitted paying a premium of 2,100, and D is admitted for 1/4 share. So just calculate. Here for the new ratio you have to apply the second case, because for new ratio what are the lines given? 1/4 share of profit, which he acquire 1/6 from B and 1/12 from C. So you have to deduct 1/6 from B and 1/12 from C, and whatever you will get, that will be the share of D. So just calculate the new ratio by applying second case, and then sacrificing ratio, and you have to pass the new entry, journal entry. Then I hope it is also clear. Moving towards the next one, that is question number 23. So in this question, B and C are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:1. They admit D into the firm. D pays premium of rupee 15,000. What is the premium paid by D? 15,000, and his share is 1/3. As between themselves, B and C agree to share future profits and losses equally. Future profit and losses will be equally. So draft journal entry showing appropriation of the premium money. Means here again you have to calculate, pass the journal entry. So the old ratio is 3:1. New partner is admitted for 1/3 share. And what is given? B and C agree to share future profits and losses equally. So here ratio about the old partner is given 2 times. One time it is, first time it is 3:1, second time it is mentioned equally. So in this case you can say that you have old ratio 2 times. First time it is 3:1, at the second time it is 1:1. So old ratio is given to you 2 times and D is admitted for 1/3. So in this case, whenever old ratio is given 2 times, so second one is used to calculate the new ratio and first one is used to calculate sacrificing ratio. Second one is used to calculate new ratio, first one will be used to calculate sacrificing ratio. So just apply the first case, let the future profit be 1. Out of 1 we have to pay 1/3 to D, so that remaining share will be 2/3. And this 2/3 will be distributed between B and C into equal ratio, because I told second means later ratio will be treated as old for calculating new ratio. So 2/3 into 1/2, that becomes 2/6. 2/3 into 1/2, 2/6. 1/3, and to make the denominator 6 you have to multiply it by 2 also. So the new ratio is 2:2:1, which means 1:1:1 means equally. So new ratio is 1:1:1 and old ratio was 1:1. But for calculating sacrificing ratio, for calculation of sacrificing ratio, we have to use this as first ratio. So old ratio is 3/4 for B, and for C it is 1/4, and new ratio is 1:1:1 means 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So for B it becomes 5/12, and for C it becomes minus 1/12, which means C is gaining, B is sacrificing while C is gaining. So what I told you about the entries, that if any of the old partner is gaining, then we have to make him debit. If any of the old partner is gaining, then we have to make him debit. So what will be the entry in this situation? So the amount of goodwill brought in by D is 15,000. So the entry is cash account debit to premium for goodwill account by 15,000, and this 15,000 will be distributed among sacrificing partner. But in this question only one partner B is sacrificing, another one is gaining. So we have to make debit to the gaining partner. So that's why we have debited C's capital account, and who is sacrificing? So only B is sacrificing, so that's why he is credited. Now the thing is how to put the amount in this condition, because you know the amount of premium for goodwill, it is 15,000, all fine. But how this gaining amount of C will calculated? So for that, first we have to find out the goodwill of firm. We have to find out goodwill of firm. So 15,000 is the goodwill of C, and we have to reciprocate the share of C. मीन्स whosoever मीन्स जिस भी किसी पार्टनर का गुडविल मेंशन है और उसका शेयर मेंशन है, न्यू रेशियो, सो वी जस्ट हैव टू रिवर्स दैट. तो 15,000 सी की गुडविल पता है हमें, एंड द शेयर ऑफ सी इज़ 1/3, सो द रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ 1/3 बिकम्स 3/1, विच मीन्स गुडविल ऑफ फर्म इज़ 45,000. सो बी शेयर ऑफ गुडविल because we have to credit the B and we have to debit the C. So B को कितने से क्रेडिट करना है? So for that 45,000 into sacrificing share of B is 5/12, which means 18,750. So that's why B is credited by 18,750. And for C, 45,000 into gaining share of C, that is 1/12, which means 3,750. So you can check your debit is equal to credit also in this condition. So this is your entry. I hope it is also clear. If you have any doubt in this question, you can personally send me the message also. Moving toward the next question, that is question number 24. M and J are partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. They admit R as a new partner. The new profit sharing ratio between MJ and R will be 5:2. Here old and new both are already given to you. R brought in rupee 25,000 for his share of premium for goodwill. Means what amount of goodwill R is bringing. So he brings 25,000 as goodwill. You have to pass the good entry for the goodwill. What you have to do, you just have to pass the entry for the goodwill. So old new is given, just calculate the sacrificing ratio and pass both the entries which you have passed in the remaining questions. So moving toward the next one, question number 25. A and B are in partnership, sharing profit and loss in the ratio 5:3. C is admitted as a partner who pays 40,000 as capital. Who is admitted? C. And in this question he is bringing 40,000 as capital also, means he is bringing amount of capital also. And the necessary amount of goodwill which is valued 60,000 for the firm. What is mentioned? Goodwill is he is bringing. Look at the, read the question properly. C is admitted as a partner. Who pays? Who pays means C pay कर रहा है 40,000 capital and the necessary amount of goodwill, means whatever be the goodwill of C, so C is paying that amount. जो भी C की goodwill है C उसको pay कर रहा है. So which is valued means now the goodwill is valued 60,000 for the firm. Goodwill is 60,000 of the firm. So you have to calculate the goodwill of C, then you have to pass the journal entry. So I hope you can do this question also. And how to calculate the ratio? For that, his share of profit will be 1/5. What is the share of profit? 1/5, which he takes 1/10 from A and 1/10 from B. So here you have to apply the second condition, second case to calculate the new ratio. I hope it is also clear. So moving towards the next question, that is question number 26. So in question number 26, what is the question? Read it properly. A and B are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 7:5. They admit C, their manager, into partnership. Means C was the manager earlier, but now they are admitting him as a partner, and to him they will give 1/6 share. Means A and B will give him now 1/6 share in the profit of the business. So C brings 10,000 as for his capital and 3,600 for 1/6 share of goodwill. Means 3,600 is the goodwill of C, 10,000 is the capital of C, and he is admitted for 1/6 share, which he acquire 1/24 from A and 1/8 from B. So simple as it was in question number 25. जैसा कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 25 में आपने सेकेंड केस यूज़ किया था, इन द सेम वे यू हैव टू यूज़ द सेकेंड केस हेयर ऑल्सो टू कैलकुलेट द न्यू रेशियो एंड देन सेक्रीफाइसिंग रेशियो. So profit for the first year of the new partnership was 24,000. Only this point is different. Rest it is similar to 25th question. So you have to pass the entry for C's admission and and apportion the profit between the partners. Means we have to pass the entry for the goodwill, and we also have to distribute this profit among the partners. So read one important line for this profit. What the line says: profit for the first year of the new partnership, which means this is profit. This profit is of includes the share of C also, because it is of new partnership. So how to solve it? Please have a look. So with the help of this question you can calculate the 25th or solve the 25th also. So A and B are the partners, 7/5 is the ratio, C is admitted for 1/6 share. So first you have to calculate the new ratio. So what question says कि C acquire 1/24 from A, so we have to deduct 1/24 from A and 1/8 from B. So 7/12 minus 1/24, 5/12 minus 1/8. So it becomes 13/24, 7/24. And C, share of C, so it is share of C is 1/6. To make the denominator equal, we have to multiply it by 4. So the new ratio becomes 13:7:4. Apart from this, you have to calculate the sacrificing ratio also. For that, the formula you already know: old ratio minus new ratio. So old is 7/12, new, and for B it is 5/12 minus new ratio. So new is 13/20 minus 13/24 minus 7/24. So after solving it, what sacrificing ratio you will get? You will get 1:3. And always keep in mind that new partner is always gaining. So the entries which you have to pass is C's cash account debit to C's capital account to premium for goodwill. Amount of capital is 10, goodwill is 36. Total becomes 13,600. Then For distribution of this goodwill, entry will be premium for goodwill account debit to sacrificing partners. So who are the sacrificing partners? A and B both are sacrificing by 1:4. So to A's capital account to B's capital account. Divide this 3600 into 1:3, that becomes 900 and 2700. 927. Pass the narration also. Sorry, write the narration also. Apart from this, there was a profit also. There was a profit of 24,000 also in the question. So for this profit of 24,000, the entry which you have to pass is profit and loss account debit to A's capital, to B's capital, to C's capital. Divide this 24,000 profit into new ratio, that is 13:7:4. So after dividing, you will get 13,000, 7,000 and 4,000. Why we are distributing it into all the partners? Because this profit is related to the new partnership firm, and when partners are getting profit, it means it is an income for them. And you know the rule that debit all expense and losses and credit all income and gains. So it is income for the partner, that's why it is credited. I hope it is also clear. So the next question is question number 27. X and Y are the partners sharing profit in the ratio 3:1. Z is admitted as a partner for which he pays 30,000 for goodwill in cash. Means goodwill of Z is 30,000. X, Y and Z decide to share future profit in equal proportion. New ratio is also given 1:1:1. You are required to pass the entry. So you can solve it very easily. It is similar to question number 23. It is similar to question number 23, which I already told you. Means it is similar to this question number 23, because here also in this 23, because in this question number 27 one partner will also gain. यहाँ पे भी वन ऑफ द ओल्ड पार्टनर जो है उसे गेन होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 28. सो हियर अंशुल एंड पारुल आर द पार्टनर शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट इन द रेशियो 3:2. They admit Payal as a partner for 1/4 share on 1st April. So Payal bring 5 lakh as capital and her share of goodwill by check. It was agreed to value goodwill at 3 years purchase of average profit of last 4 years. So you know how to calculate the goodwill, but along with this there are some adjustment also which we have done in the goodwill chapter also. So for this I'm not going to explain it because I have already done it in class. So just or if you want to understand it properly, then you can go for the video of goodwill also. So here for this first point, closing stock for the year ended 31st March 2018 was overvalued. Means closing stock of 2018 was overvalued. So if it is overvalued, then we have to, for making it in a correct position, we have to deduct it. So in 2018 we will deduct the profit by 50,000, but its impact will be on next year also. So that's why in next year you have to add this 50,000. Means in profit of 2018 we have to deduct it, and in profit of 2019 we have to add the same amount, because the closing stock of this year would be the opening stock